Are you game?
Of course.
Yeah, sure.
Alright! Ang cute nila, no? Okay.
Parang nakakatakot to,
K-Not.
Nakakatakot to.
Oo, eh.
But we're not playing
Are
it,
you
right?
ready?
Hindi pa naman nata. Are we playing now?
If you're game.
It's up to you.
It's up to you.
Well, this game is kind of like a rap K or K not.
Bakit K?
Bakit K daw, guys?
Bakit K-Not?
K is for Kai. K is for Kai.
Pangalan ko pala yan.
So, sino si K at sino si K not?
Tayo pala yun. Kaya
Ah,
K-Not tsaka
ah.
K.
Oo nga, no? You're K for Kyle.
K
K
for
for
Kai.
Kai.
K, kaya K-Not at tsaka
Oh.
Actually, fun fact, nakakalito talaga sa amin pag tinatawag kami. Hindi namin alam kung sino tinitin. So, kunwari nasa mall kami, Kyle.
Pareho
Oo
na
nga,
kami
no?
sa kanila.
Oh, pareho kami. Hello?
Try nyo nga. Tawagin nyo nga si Kai. Tawagin nyo si Kai.
Parang wala akong narinig na pangalan ni Isha.
Yung narinig ko lang is kasi the K, or if it's a K not, and should be totally avoided. And then you have to give us the reason why.
Sige.
Yes.
Okay, G.
Okay, should I repeat it pa? Once more for the audience.
Oh, sige.
Gets na ba?
Gets
nyo ba,
gets nyo naman,
guys?
di ba?
Kasi naman guys, diba?
Yeah? Gets nyo
Sagot.
naman dito?
Do you want them to answer with you din? Sasagot pa din kayo? Sabihin na K or? Ayan.
Sasagutin kayo. Mauna kami, tapos kayo naman.
Game na ba?
Oh.
Okay, let's do this. Number 1, eating a heavy meal 10 minutes before a high-energy dance number. Ano? Ayan, K-Not. Bakit?
Nagawa ko na po yun, hindi po siya masaya. Oo. Bago mag-asap, nagkamali po ako ng bata ko. Ayun.
Bakit na nangyari?
Nasisiyar ako sa stage.
Talaga? So what did you do?
Wala, I prayed. Yun na.
You pray na lang.
Parang wala naman nangyari.
When your hands are actually shaking before a performance. Has that ever happened to you?
K-Not.
I'm too honest.
Ako din.
Magkatabatis.
Kapag
Hindi na natakot na ako.
naguguluhan talaga ako.
Pero parang hindi kayo na-nervous eh. Parang hindi kayo kinakabahan.
Wow.
Wow!
K for kaba is not. Pero K for kilig? K ba?
Hindi kasi ganun talaga. Kapag, siguro we're just very honest people. Kapag kinakabahan kami talaga kami. Wala nang
Ano
eme-eme.
mangyayari? Can you sing still? Can you dance still?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kung nakita niyo naman ako ng The Voice Kids, I'm sure a lot of people can agree. Mukha akong nervyosong bata.
Pero for sure you guys are so used to the pressure now and so used to performing on stage.
Iba kasi kapag nasa stage na, when you get to see the people,
Kasi I do it, I'm sure. K or K not?
okay, are you gonna answer na?
Hindi, ikaw na.
Okay, 3, 2, and... sige, one.
No!
No?
No, di yung totoo.
Bakit?
You do kaya.
Kilan.
Will you do that?
I don't kaya. Pero practice ko sa sarili mo sa likod.
Hindi mo ba pinapractice yun?
Ganun kasi siya kasi siguro confident na siya that ganun.
Hindi,
ganun.
mas... Sige, nervous ako pag masyado ko iniisip. So, whatever happens, happens na lang.
Hindi ko naman siya iniisip din. Sa akin kasi okay. Because I need to study my angles. I need to know which looks best. Especially as a girl. Iba-iba yung hairstyle.
Nag-angles na, oh.
Pero iba-iba kasi yung hairstyle as a girl. I need to know how I can possibly make my braids work or my
Right.
long hair work. Kaya siguro iba din kapag babae.
Pero saan yung angle mo? Maganda ka naman kahit saan eh.
Wow. Well, I prefer this side, but obviously, you know, I'm confident whether I look at you from here or here. Kaya
Diba?
okay sa akin.
Ah.
Yes.
Maganda naman kayo kahit any angle. Pero si Kyle, di na niya kailangan ng practice.
Kaya nga.
Minsan, pag may braids ako,
O, di ba? Hair,
Parang kailangan mo gumanon. Parang kailangan mo gumanon. Okay, next.
next question. Doing a victory.
masayaw ako kahit kailan eh.
No, victory dance after you.
Oh, yung paglabas mo.
Pagkatapos ng rampa. Oh.
Talaga?
Oo, hindi,
Ako,
nawala na yung lahat ng
after-
nerves, di ba?
Yeah.
Oh, ang happy mo pala.
You must be very nervous, di ba?
Kasi when I come out in a runway, and I come back, I'm like, oh, I'm done. But I don't like victory dance.
So, baliktad pala kami.
Diba?
Mas
Baliktad
nervous siya
pala.
bago, ako, nilalabas ko yung nerves ko after.
Kaya pala opposite sa track, di ba guys? Ay! Okay, you guys ready for the next one? Oh, finally, last in your comfort zone and wearing a completely new fashion style that you've never tried before. K or K not?
Okay! I love it! I love kasi I love exploring talaga. Kahit magmukha akong, kahit magmukha akong ewan, I'm fine. I would go out with a rag, you know? I'm so open with wearing whatever. Gusto ko yung gugulin yung buhok ko. Gusto ko nga mag-mohawk if ever it's possible.
Wow.
Di ba? Naisip ko na lang magpakalbo eh. I mean like, ikaw, nagpakalbo ka na eh. Kaya, hindi ko na masabi sa'yo. Pero, ako gusto ko magpakalbo.
One
Like,
day,
you know
sige,
Eleven
wala
from
naman.
Stranger Things?
Yes.
I wanna pakalbo for a role. Hala, baka ba?
I want to pakalbo for a role.
Ikaw naman, Kyle, K or K not?
Ako, I would love to pakalbo for a role.
I mean, trying out new styles.
Magpahaba ka ng buhok.
Napapakapa ako ng buhok.
Ako yung magpakalbo.
No, I said okay also. Kasi wala eh, I like how fashion is also a way for you to express your bathrobe dito sa stage gagawin ko yun.
Exactly.
Wow! And speaking of haba ng hair, I heard you guys have a special duet prepared for us today.
Meron ba?
Meron ba?
Yes!